If your iPhone is running super slow, it's lagging, it's glitching, I'm going to show you some steps to definitely get that fixed. The first thing you're going to do is head into the settings app on your phone. We'll do a few different things in here. The first one, we're going to scroll down. You can see accessibility midway down. Tap on the accessibility. And now we'll tap on motion midway down again. A key option is to reduce the motion. This will speed up everything on your iPhone. Next, we'll go back to the very beginning of your settings, and we're going to tap on battery midway down. And you can see low power mode. Just toggle this on. This prevents a lot of things from doing and happening in the background. Again, helping basically preserve the resources, the RAM, the basically processing speed for the apps that you're using. Now let's go back out of here. And the next thing I would recommend doing is tapping on General towards the bottom. And then you can see if I scroll down a little bit, background app refresh. This is a big culprit that takes up a lot of extra resources in the back. So just tap on this. If it is turned on, just completely turn it off. You can see mine is completely disabled. Now, after we've gone through these steps, the next thing I would recommend doing is swiping up over all of the apps and closing every single app on your iPhone. Another good housekeeping thing that we can do to help basically prevent any old buggy apps from causing glitches or something like that is to go into the App Store, tap on the profile at the top right, and then just swipe down and hit the update all to update every single app. So we'll do that for your apps, but also we'll go back into your settings and we'll tap on general and then software update. Go through the process of updating your iOS operating system as well as all of the apps. So we've done all of these things. The last thing I would recommend doing is just going back out here within the general section of your settings, scroll to the very bottom and hit the shutdown button. You'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and then turning it back on fixes a lot of issues and a lot of lagging or bugs on your iPhone.